Hi everybody and welcome back to another Boxycharm video. Woo! Instead of doing like a comparison kind of video, this is pretty much just going to be an unboxing because I'm going to continue buying the base box and the premium because I really like them and you're paying a very little price for products that are lots of money, and more is better. Especially since it's my last name, Moore. So we are going to start out with our base box. I was really hesitant on this month's variation because I have been, looking at the sneak peeks and the spoilers and the pop-ups. I did buy some things from the pop-up, but they still haven't gotten here yet. I don't even know if they've shipped. I keep checking them and they haven't sent me any tracking or anything like that, so I'm kind of like worried when it's going to get here. I thought it would be here by the time I had gotten all my boxes, but it took a while for my base box to get here, so that's why I'm filming this so late. And instead of you guys seeing this last week, you guys will be seeing it today. So yeah, it's a little bit late, but now we can finally do this before the month is over and before I can get my next box variation, which is going to be so cool because you guys already know that we'll be getting the Fenty products in one of our boxes. We're getting a bunch of Fenty products. That's pretty much all we're getting in like one of the boxes. So I'm very excited about that. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is, what it is a monthly subscription service where you will pay like a certain amount for different size boxes, and you will get a lot of beauty products, skin products, tools, all kinds of stuff like that. And if you want to pretty much guarantee what kind of products you'll get, there is a beauty quiz that you can do and a complexion quiz that you can do that pretty much, customizes your box based on your needs or what you like in the makeup or skincare ranges. And so that pretty much determines what you might get in your boxes. But of course they only come with there are variations. So some people might be getting the same variations as I do, and some people might get things that are a little bit different, but it's all about the shade ranges and the colors that you get. So they won't exactly be the same because you'll get different shades of foundation, different shades of eyeshadow, stuff like that. So let's jump into our video. We're going to start out with the base box first. So I'm filming this in a new spot because it's better lighting and I actually have a place to sit, and I have my makeup table right next to me because not everything is set up in my room yet, and I've been looking at equipment and all that stuff. So here is the base box. This is the base box Boxycharm. It costs $25 a month, and you usually get products, let's see, you get like 5 to 6 products in your base box. And of course it comes with actually this one came with a virtual pricing list. So I can't really pull it up for you guys because I'm recording it with my phone. I was able to choose a product in this box, which I was so happy about. It was such a hard decision. It was between the Ionic London eyeshadow palette and the Becca foundation. But since, I really been needing and wanting to do more foundation try-ons, especially for my Foundation Fridays, I was really, of course, I would have to choose the Becca foundation. This is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the shade Driftwood, and I think it is my shade range. That's what I was really worried about. I don't like to guess online, so it was a struggle. This one looks like it might be my color, maybe a little bit lighter. Yeah, I've got a feeling it's a little bit lighter because my chest is lighter than my neck. So I always swatch things with my neck. So I'm really hoping that this is the right shade. If not, I will go online and actually buy the other shade that I need. And I don't know what the product cost, but I will put it in this video so that way you guys know how much each product costs, because I don't have the list in front of me since they sent me a virtual one. Next product we're going to talk about is the EVO Skin. Let's see, it's a refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. I don't know what all this does. Let's see, gently massage a single cleansing wipe over the face in circular motion, taking care around the eyes. I think that's worded wrong. No need to rinse. For maximum results, follow the EVO Skin Rejuvenating Mask, which I don't have. Like a cleansing wipe for your eyes or for certain parts of your skin. I don't think it's a makeup remover. I'm not really sure. The next product we're going to be talking about is this is the Facial Radiance Pads. Helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Ooh, I definitely need stuff like this. I like using the exfoliating pads. I've seen a lot, like the peels and stuff like where you can slide your fingers into it and you can just rub it on your face and you can see the skin peeling off. I don't know if this is similar to that. Wow, they don't have a smell to it. I'm shocked. I like products, like white products that don't don't smell all chemically. Sometimes they smell really, really strong, but I don't smell anything, which is really nice. And it's just a single wipes. That's really, really nice. Exfoliate, tone, and brighten. So it's like a 3-in-1. I would probably use this after like cleaning my face. So it says white pad across the face, neck, twice daily after cleansing. See, Ciate everyday vacay. Let's see, what is this? Vacay. Oh, coconut setting powder. I'm obsessed with things that are coconut. I just love coconut. Coconut setting powder. Lightweight and delicately coconut scented. I really like that. I can already tell that the powder is like white. So I don't know if this is translucent or it does not say. Moving on to the last product in the box, unfortunately. I think this is the Alamar Trio brushes. I was very excited about this because I'm definitely starting to like Alamar also. And I have been looking at some of their new stuff online. Oh my god, I love their like blush palettes and their bronzing palettes. They're just so cute. Super, super cute. Okay, so here I have the Alamar Trio brushes. I have the brightening brush, not blush. This is the complexion brush, and this is the bronzer brush. I really like it. It's soft too, super soft. Okay, so my thoughts on this box variation. I really, really like the variation of the box. I'm not happy that I'm short one product, but I did get some really nice things in this box in general. I can't really tell you guys how much it costs right now, but I will do everything off camera while I'm editing, and I will tell you guys the total amount of everything in this box. And by everything that I'm looking at, I bet you it's around $100, somewhere around there. Here is my premium Boxycharm box, and I can already tell it's really heavy. When I had gotten it in the mail, I was like, this is a bigger box than what I would normally get. So I was really curious what was inside of it. So let's open that up and find out, and I'm really hoping that there is a panel with the prices on it, something to really guide me. This one I was very hesitant on getting because there were some internet connection issues or some website issues, and I couldn't do my first choice in this box. It was between an eyeshadow palette and a straightener. This is the pamphlet. It's really, really cute. I'm guessing the theme is adore because it is the month of February and we just had Valentine's Day. Okay, so right off the bat, this was a product that I really did not want. Oh my gosh. It's pretty expensive. Let's see, we're going to start out with the Suture Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. The MSRP on this is $79.99, and it comes in this like velvet looking bag. Adjustable temperatures, safe for all types, easy styling. It looks like a full-size straightener for sure. Yeah. I'm not really going to open this because I think what I'm going to end up doing is giving it away. I might do this. I might put this in a giveaway and give it away to somebody who, you know, pays attention to my videos and stuff like that. So I'll be putting this back. Definitely don't want that. Next up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. which MSRP is for $28. And if you guys have been paying attention to my skincare video and my skincare update video, you guys will know that I will not be using these products because they were very, very bad for my skin. I don't know if it was like a fragrance issue or something like that, but it clogged my skin so bad and I was having breakouts for weeks. And now my skin is finally cleared up after I stopped using them. So strange, but this is the mist. I don't know if I would have any problems with that. I'm very, very hesitant on even trying it to begin with. So here is what it looks like. You can tell that it's got like an oil type of separation in there. And of course, when you shake it up, I did get a whiff of it and it does smell like watermelon. So, yeah, it definitely smells like watermelon. It's very, very fine, very misty. It says that it's a ultra fine mist, of course, hydrating, glowing radiance. This is something that I don't have to apply directly to my skin. It's, you know, misting from a distance, so maybe it might be safe for my skin. I don't know. But I will be getting rid of the mask and the moisturizer for sure. Let's see. The next product is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush. Where is that? Oh. Woo, I got another Hourglass product. Wait, I don't know if I have gotten an Hourglass product yet. No, I haven't. I have been wanting to because I know Hourglass is more on the higher end side, and so, you know, I was excited to be getting this in my Boxycharm. So let's look it up. And this is a really nice variation. I like this color. This is definitely something I would be using. I was very cautious on what kind of blushes we would all be getting. So after looking at all of the different shades that they had on their sneak peeks, I'm glad that I got this one. It's in the shade Diffuse Heat. I like that. Definitely like that. That's the one thing I finally like in this freaking box. And that MSRP is $40. That's a lot for a blush. Next, we have the Fossia Skincare 24K Gold Foil Moisturizers. I love moisturizers. Woo. This is a moisturizing cream. Helps dry areas disappear without leaving behind a greasy residue. Helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into skin. And this happens to be the most expensive product in the box, ranging at $100 even. So this is what the product looks like. I had to take it out of the box because the box was difficult to get it out of in the first place. So here it is. You can see that there are little gold flakes in them, which is so nice. It's 24K gold foil. This is a moisturizer. It's suitable for all skin types. So let's open this up because I'm really curious. So it's got one of those protective caps. Ooh. And judging by how clear the liquid is, it doesn't look like a cream, but I would say more of like a gel kind of consistency. And I'm assuming it like melts into your skin. So I'm going to just dip my finger into that because I want you guys to see how stringy it is. Whoops. So we're gonna rub that on my finger, my hand. Yeah, it definitely has it's a gel-like consistency, but it like melts into like water. And it's not sticky at all. It smells really good. I mean, it doesn't have like a fragrance. It just smells like expensive skincare. Like, you know how like really good brands have like the same smell? That's exactly what it reminds me of. It smells like the stuff my mom would use. But not in a bad way. It just smells expensive. Okay, the next product is the Tarte Cosmetics Double Duty Beauty Base Tape Hydrating Primer. This is actually something I already have. It's MSRP at $30. It's just this. I already have this, so I think I'll be giving this away to somebody. Not really gonna open that. It's just a hydrating white primer. It's nice. It's all right. I mean, I wouldn't say it's great, but it's all right. And let's see, the last product is the I don't know if I'm going to say this right, Core's Body Butter. And the MSRP is $32. This is a rich and luxurious body butter, deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for the dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. I've never bought a body butter that was $32, so this must be good. And, oh, it's a big bottle too. This is what it looks like. It's really, really nice. I can already tell it's probably vanilla. It's a Mediterranean Vanilla Blossom Body Butter. Wow, I wonder where this is from. Oh, it's made in Greece. That is so cool. Ooh, I've never used anything made in Greece before, but it does say Mediterranean, so I assume, yeah. I want to know how this smells. Oh, it smells good. Oh, wait, is it even open? I feel like I'm just, oh, okay. Duh! All right, and wow, after adding everything up, it came out to $309.99. That is the most I've ever gotten from all my boxes. That is definitely the highest price, and I think mainly because that gold foil moisturizer was $100. So I really hope you guys somewhat enjoyed that video. I was a little bit disappointed, but I enjoyed it a little bit. And I will be putting some of that stuff in a giveaway. So if you are paying attention and you're watching, you might be lucky and getting some of those products for free. So I will see you guys next time. I'm sorry that this is rushed. I love you guys so much. Bye.